Hey, it's Kelly from Pink Lemonade Company. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to change out your Etsy banner. Okay, so here's my Etsy shop, and what I want to do is just change out this and just freshen it up a little bit. So I'm going to log into my Etsy shop dashboard and scroll all the way down to the sales channel area and click on the pencil. So from here, I'm going to click on the pencil again over on the far right screen, and I have two options. I can just get rid of this banner altogether, or I can change the layout. So I always like to go with the big banner because it's more fun for me to create. I've never really used this mini banner, and I definitely don't want to have just nothing up there because that's boring. So here is the big banner, and it fills the top of your shop with one big image. That sounds great. So we're going to add an image. I have a banner already ready to upload, so let me just find it on my desktop. It's going to take a minute to load because it is a rather large image, because the image size for this is 3,360 pixels by 840. So once it's uploaded, I'm going to make sure and click save down here. Let's go make sure we're good to go. I'm going to go back to my shop page, refresh, and there we go. So if you're in Photoshop, what you would do is start a new file, and we're going to set the size at 3,360 by 840 at 72 pixels per inch and create. And from there you would just start adding all kinds of fun color, your shop name, whatever you want to be advertised when people first wander up on your shop. Okay, I hope that helps if you did have a question about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.